just got here. Well, let's try it this way. And the guy isn't here yet. He told me I could take the cover off. So we'll do a little walk around. Those are the wheels. Looks like it's got, I don't know if that's electric. It might be an electric winch. Some scuffs right there. Only on a blue boat, I guess it's not so bad. That's the front of the trailer. Seems to have a similar scuff on the other side right there. There's a pretty good garage over here. I'll get to that in a second. I don't know if you can see that. There's the wheels, they look good. Let's look at that garage again. Actually, it's not really a gouge. It looks like it's just, this looks like it's scraped pretty good, but it's more the decal than the boat. There's a little bit. That's not so bad here. But that's pretty good there. And doesn't look too bad back here. That's what we got on the bottom here. Let's see if I can take a look at the hull. It's painted black. I don't see any terrible marks in it on this side. And it looks pretty good over here too. Alright, enough for that. I'm going to take the cover off.